Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact FedEx, direct link step by step clearly. To contact FedEx, start by visiting the official FedEx website. Once there, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type contact us into the search bar. Click on the link that appears in the search results. You will be directed to a page with various customer service options. Next, find the section that lists contact methods, including phone, chat, and email. If you prefer speaking directly with a representative, look for the customer service phone number. Make sure to have your tracking number or account information ready for a smoother experience. For those who prefer online assistance, explore the live chat feature. Click on the chat icon usually found in the bottom right corner of the page. Begin your conversation by selecting a relevant topic from the options provided. If you would like to send an email, locate the email contact form. Fill out the required fields, ensuring you include all necessary detail. After reviewing your message, submit the form. You can also reach out through FedEx's social media channels for quick queries. Visit platforms like Twitter or Facebook and send a direct message to their official accounts. If your issue is more complex, consider using the Help Center for more detailed information. Follow the prompts to find solutions to common problems. Remember to check the frequently asked questions for instant answers. For tracking specific shipments, use the tracking tool provided on the website. Now that you know how to contact FedEx, choose the method that works best for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.